Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you my self-made spray booth. The audio today is a little bit different because I'm not using a lavalier microphone. I'm just using the internal microphone of my Sony camera, so it might be a little bit worse than usual, but I think it's fine to show you what I made right here. First I will show you how I made the spray booth using wood, using some plastic foil from covering cars, very cheap material, a light and some screws of course. Afterwards I will show you the inside of the spray booth and give you some detail. So let's go a little bit closer. I will show you the spray booth from the inside and I will be talking behind the camera. Here you can see the spray booth from the front. As you can see, I used it already a lot and all of the spray paint is inside the spray booth. I installed two switches, one for the light with 3D printed cases and one for the ventilator, which pops in 3 or 5 seconds delayed. It is right here, covered by some foam, filter foam. Here is the LED strip and all the awesome wiring. I've got two lazy Susans for spraying and it takes quite a lot of air flowing. It has about 10 cubic meters per hour airflow, and above you can see is the exhaust which leads to the window. When I'm spraying, it's open. So as you have seen, it's quite a very simple design. I think it does its job quite well. Not everything stays inside, but it's better than spraying without a spray booth inside a room with almost no ventilation. So you can let it run after you have sprayed to get the fumes out of the room through the window, which is quite nice. I hope you liked this short update video, short DIY project. If you liked it, then leave me a thumbs up or a comment. Most of the parts I have picked up locally in the hardware store. So if you liked it, leave me a subscription, like or a comment as said. And so far, I want to thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.